Hi! In front of me is INFINIX Hot 20i, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this INFINIX smartphone. Begin by opening Play Store. Now tap on the search bar and type in DevCheck. Following that, you need to get this free app from Flutter developer, DevCheck device, and system info. When your app is ready, open it. Now from it, you can learn all about your INFINIX by checking out dashboard info, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and even sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!